In this video, I'm going to show you how to add stutter effect in BandLab. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your existing BandLab project, or of course you can create a new one. It doesn't really matter. It's going to work both ways. So after you do this, you will need some voice. You would like to basically add stutter to. So you can do this with an audio track. You can do it with a recording of an instrument. It doesn't really matter. Of course, you can do it with anything. So I'm just going to record some of my voice over here just for this instance. So let me just click on record up here. And now it's going to start recording, and I will just record as I explain this because for this instance it doesn't really matter. We're not making something professional. So let me close this down and stop this. There we go. And then once you have this, you can go ahead and zoom this a bit so we can see it, and then you want to find the part you would like to kind of stutter. Now when you find the part, what you can do is you can go into effects and then see if at the time of you watching this video there's any presets while clicking over here, or perhaps any effects that you can use over here that have stutters. So as you can see currently, there's one with which you can create rhythmic stutter-like patterns over here. However, this one is a premium preset, okay, or a premium effect. So you will have to get access to premium effects by purchasing a membership over here. So that's the best way to actually do it. But of course, if you want to do it yourself for free without having to use any effects or plugins or any presets in here, what you can do is you can just find the part you would like to replay. So you would like to stutter. So for example, this part, we're not making something. So let's say this is the part you would like to stutter. What I would do here is I would just copy this to a different separate part. And then what I do is I just go in here and I would just cut out this part. So I would cut out the part I would like to stutter, for example, this part, there we go. And then I would just kind of paste it inside here, inside the part where it was originally. So just like after here, so that's the original bit, you can then paste it in here again and again and again, and then you can just modify it to the left, to the right, you can cut a bit or add a bit more, and then whenever it sounds great, then that's gonna add a stutter effect, and you kind of did it manually yourself over here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I would go ahead and do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.